In this video, I will discuss the general concept of bosons and fermions along with their common examples. Let's start with a general introduction of bosons and fermions. We have two types of particles in our universe. One are known as the bosons and the other one are known as the fermions. The basic difference between bosons and fermions are that bosons are the particles with the spin of 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. That is, the particles whose spin is integral are known as bosons, while the particles whose spin is half integral, that is 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, etc., they are known as the fermions. This is the most general difference between bosons and fermions. Another difference is that bosons are the particles which do not obey Pauli exclusion principle, while fermions are the particles which obey Pauli exclusion principle. Pauli exclusion principle states that no two identical fermions can be placed in the same quantum state. So these are the two bases on which bosons and fermions can be distinguished. One is the spin and the other one is the Pauli exclusion principle. Now talking about their examples, all the force carriers in our universe are bosons whose spin is 1 or and all the fundamental particles of matter are fermions. That is, we have for example, we have a photon, which is a force carrier of electromagnetic force. Its spin is 1, so it is boson. We have a W plus minus boson and Z boson. These are the carriers of weak nuclear force. Again, their spin is 1, so they are boson. Again, we have a force carrier which is known as gluon. Again, gluon is an example of boson. Also, we have another example of Higgs boson whose spin is 0, so it is also a boson. So these are the examples of bosons. Now we have the fundamental particles of this universe, which are again further divided into two classes. One is known as the leptons and the other one are known as the quarks. Both these classes are the examples of fermions. Leptons are further 6 in number, which are electron, muon and tau, and their corresponding neutrinos, which are electron neutrino, mu neutrino and tau neutrino, while we have 6 quarks, which are up, charm, top and down, strange, bottom. These 6 are all the examples of fermions, and all these 6 have the spin of 1 over 2. So these are all the examples of fermions, while these are the examples of bosons. I hope through this video now you have a clear concept of what is the difference between bosons and fermions. Kindly subscribe this channel and share this video with other physics students.